In this video, I'll be showing you how to do a seamless invisible color change. Hi, I'm Nicole Chase and welcome to my channel. I design fun and colorful amigurumi crochet patterns that are great for any skill level. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change colors in amigurumi so that you can avoid that noticeable step in the color change. This is an invisible or seamless color change. Let's get started. To start, I've worked my last single crochet stitch with my first color, and I'm then going to insert my hook under the back loop of the next stitch. And then from there, I'm going to draw up a loop with my new color. And I'm going to pull that all the way through. Then I'm going to tie these two ends together. And this method is great for amigurumi color changes. So I'm just going to tie those two ends together and they will be hidden on the inside of the piece. From there, my first stitch is then going to move to this next space. So I'm going to work my first single crochet stitch, and this is where I'm going to place my stitch marker. So don't worry about this color change stitch here where we have that unworked front loop. We're going to come back to that at the end of the round. So I'm going to continue doing my single crochets around like normal. Now, when I make it back around to that color change stitch, I'm going to insert my hook under the unworked front loop. And I'm also going to insert my hook under the two loops made from the color change. And that's where I'm going to work my final single crochet of the round. And then I will continue on like normal. So here's what that color change looks like at this point, and as you crochet the next round, it will even out even further. And here you can see that color change after a few rounds. It creates a more straight line. And here you can see the two side by side. Here is the seamless invisible color change where we have a relatively straight line. And here is a traditional color change where we have a noticeable step. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.